John Liguori, the Vice President in charge of the new hospital project here in the Five Hills Health Region, joining us on 800 CHAB as we anticipate the 9th annual 800 CHAB Family First Radiothon, raising money, hopefully reaching our goal of $750,000 to equip our new hospital with the state-of-the-art equipment that we need, including, sir, equipping 72 separate inpatient rooms with some wonderful new equipment, including comfort for families. And I just think this is wonderful that we're buying sleeper chairs for each and every one of those 72 rooms.
Correct. And that is one of the pluses. And certainly, one of the benefits of having that they're all private rooms. So there won't be any sharing of rooms. So if in the new hospital, when a patient gets admitted, they will be in their own private room, and that'll be the same for all patients. So that's a huge improvement, we believe, and it will certainly help us provide or continue to provide a very high level of care. Our staff, I believe, will have the comforts they need, aside from the patients as well, and our physicians as well. So, Rob, the way the rooms have been laid out for our inpatient units is there's what we call a provider area. So that's an area where the nurses and doctors and other healthcare providers can quickly get to the patient and provide the care they need. And then the patient has their own private area, which includes the bed, sort of the night table and some of those amenities that they need, and easy access to a private bathroom. And then there's a family zone. And then the family zone, as you mentioned, each of the rooms will be equipped with a sleeper sofa so that one family member, at least, if they choose to, can actually stay overnight and have a comfortable sleep, as opposed to, just being crimped up in a chair, which unfortunately happens a lot now. So some certainly, attention to what the patient needs, but also what the family needs are, and as well as the providers, right? So we've tried to design the space with all those key requirements in mind, and it is certainly. My goal is individually, and I know I speak for others within Five Hills that have been instrumental in getting us to where we are today, that our patients and families will be really happy when they see the new hospital and when they start using it.
And there's no doubt, I know in your mind, that a donation to the 800 CHAB Family First Radiothon for the Moose Jaw Health Foundation is money well spent, sir.
Absolutely, and the foundation does incredible work, and of course we're privileged to have the support of CHAB year after year with this amazing radiothon, which has raised a lot of money to date, and it is critical equipment that's needed, and it will absolutely benefit patients. It will benefit individuals, but also us as people that sorry, I'm getting a little emotional, using the space and the equipment. So, sorry.
That's fine. John Liguori is the Vice President in charge of our new hospital project here in the Five Hills Health Region, and as you can tell, it's been a long road to now, and the new hospital is opening up later this year, and we're raising money for that new equipment, for that new hospital on the 800 CHAB Family First Radiothon. John, thank you so much for your time. We could talk all day, because I know
yes.
Another story is going to be the transition into the new hospital and moving into the new hospital and getting it open, but that's another story for another day. Right now we're focused on raising money for the radiothon, and I thank you so much for your time, sir, and thank you for all the work that you've been getting done for us over the course of the past several years.
No, it's indeed a pleasure, and I'd like to recognize all the other people that have really worked hard, all our staff, physicians, many of the senior leaders all have active key roles. Certainly our project and site team people, our colleagues at the Ministry of Health, it's been an incredible team effort, and I would like to reach out to all your listeners to really encourage you to consider helping the foundation, because this really is an incredible opportunity to give back to a worthwhile cause, and to help the foundation, who are extremely dedicated to providing the latest and best equipment for our patients and really it'll benefit not just the city of Moose Jaw. As you know, we are a regional hospital, very much so, and this will actually help the entire region, and so please, if you can, help out, and we thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you.
John Liguori, the Vice President in charge of our new hospital here in the Five Hills Health Region.
I'll give a little bit.